Hi students, I'm going to show you how to navigate the new myPARISH student portal. Make sure when you log in the first time you go ahead and set up the notifications here under your name. And make sure at least include email you when you receive a message. That way anytime you receive a message you'll get an email. Otherwise you'll have to be logged in to see a message up here in the message center. Your basic landing page will be the progress under My Day. Here you'll find out your attendance history, your conduct, which is infractions or detentions, and all about your classes. There's a quick view here about the assignments here. There's also a quick way to both email and message your teachers. Each course will have its own landing site, which used to be the Google's homework sites. So here's Mrs. Peterson's bulletin board, where you can find her office hours, her syllabus, and some other basic information. The topics pages are places where you can find more thorough information and where a teacher can tell you more about the units that will happen in your class. Assignments is where you can find out the assignments specifically for this class. And the roster is where you can find the other students in your class and message them or find out their contact information. Now back up here at My Day, you can go to the Assignment Center. The Assignment Center is where all of your assignments will collate, and then you can filter by missing assignments or late assignments, or you can just filter by the class that you're in. You can also change the date up here and you can figure out these different categories as well. The resource page is where you can find out things about the middle school, or if perhaps you're in a sport, you might get added to a sport group. So you can find the handbook here and the course descriptions, all about NJHS and other things. Another great function of this site is the scheduling function. So here's your schedule on the day-to-day situation, but you can also look at it in the month format. It'll note A and B days, but Pete Panther only has A-day classes, so it's only showing his A-day cycle. But for most students, you'll have classes on both days and they'll be listed here. There's also a great calendar function. This is pretty exciting because it's going to actually put your assignments into your calendar. But I don't have any assignments, but when I do, they will be in light blue here. Also, the whole parish calendar is here. If you don't want to look at it, just unclick it. Same thing with any of these other things. The group ones, like your sports, will go here. Or if you even have a class event, it will show up in purple. If you're not interested in that for the time being, just unclick it. And you can re-click it later. So remember, just go to your landing site on progress, and then from there you can pretty much find wherever you need for your classes right now, all in one place.